Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative. Today I'm going to show you what is in our beautiful new Hey Mama stamp and colour kit. So this is our release for April and I'm going to take you through what you actually get in the kit first. So this is the kit and you get the little ideas and inspiration booklet and you get this stamp set which is called Hey Mama Critter Cuddles, and it's a gorgeous little set with some cute little animals in there. So that's the one that comes in the kit, and then you also get the fussy cutting die. Now these stamps, this stamp and this die are both worth $23 each, and this kit is only going to cost you $39, so it's an absolute bargain. So let's look at what else you get in the kit. You get 3 cards and envelopes, so you've got some card bases to get started. You have got these beautiful little Prima flowers that are just adorable. There is a sheet of Copic blending card, and there are 2 of these sheets of just regular cardstock. Then there are all these gorgeous little pattern papers. So let's just take a look at those. They're double-sided, and these are perfect to match these flowers and this whole collection. So cute papers. 2 more. And this is the lucky last one. So that is it for what's inside the kit. I'm just going to show you the other 2 stamps that we have released for this collection, and then I'm going to take you through the little book. So this is our second stamp we've released in this collection. It's called Hey Papa, Bunnies and Foxes. So they're adorable little cute animals as well. And of course the matching fussy cutting die for that set. And then this is the third stamp, which is called Wreath Builder Elements. So you can use these little pieces of the wreaths here to build up wreaths, all sorts of fun things. I'll show you what the girls have done in the book. And of course we've got our Happy Mother's Day sentiment and Fathers, so you can swap it out for Mother's Day or Father's Day. And the matching fussy cutting die. So there are also 2 other additional dies we always release with our stamp and colour. They are this one here, which is called Tree Builder. This is our Tree Builder die. And then this one here is called our Teepee Builder. And I'm just going to show you this picture here to show you what it actually looks like. So this little guy here, these are the little teepees that you can build with this set. So you use all the different pieces to create the different parts of the little teepee. So you can have the little doors on them or not the little doors on them, other way around. And these are the little trees. So lots of little trees that you can build. And this is that Tree Builder die. Okay, so they're the add-on dies. Let's take a look at the inspiration in this little book to see what you can make. So this book comes with the kit, or you can purchase it individually to get some ideas. So the girls list in here what they've used to colour. So they've used some Copic markers and everything from the kit and other products that you have used as well. So just going to very quickly flick through these. There are so many ideas the girls create. There's that gorgeous little tree die again, super fun. Little bears and swans, cutest little bunnies ever. And the foxes, which I think are great for dads. Oh, there you go, you're the best dad. And the elephants, I love this one. The little trees and the little foxes, such a fun collection. There's another little teepee idea that you can create using that teepee die. And there is that Wreath Builder die, and Sam has made a heart wreath. So you can do any kind of wreath you want. It's great for Christmas as well. Just mix it up, add some little red berries in there. So it doesn't have to be used for one particular theme throughout the year. So that's all the ideas. This kit and all of these products will be on our website for pre-order from the 15th, and they're going to be in stores available from the 20th of April. And we encourage you to go along to your local craft store and support them. Keep their doors open. If you can buy the products from them, like, go ahead and do it. If you can't get into a store, just jump over onto our website and order them there. So thanks guys. You can see all this on our website at www.uniquelycreative.com.au. Until next time, we'll say goodbye. Bye.